How to delete all your Instagram messages at once. Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you a way how you can delete all of your Instagram DMs at one time. So first, go to your profile, then click on the three lines in the top right corner. Next, click on settings, and then click on account. So what you want to do is, if you don't already have a professional account, click on this button at the bottom where it says switch to professional account. Click on continue, keep clicking continue. What best describes you, so you can just click whatever you want. I'm going to say digital creator. Click done. It says it can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. And then I'm going to say yes, I'm a creator. Then if I go back to my profile, but if I go to my DMs now, you'll see at the top I've got that new button, which is the three lines with the three bullet points next to it. If I just click on that one, I'm then able to multiple select messages, and at the bottom I can hit delete, and it's going to delete all of those messages at the same time. Hit delete, ask you if you're sure, and click delete, and they're all gone. And that's all it takes to delete all of your Instagram messages at once. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.